Hello, and welcome to day 4 of the British Engineering Excellence Awards for 2020. My name is Neil Tyler, and I'm editor of New Electronics. These awards celebrate the best of design engineering in the UK from 2019 to 2020. Clearly, this has been an unusual time, and this ceremony reflects that. However, we have been determined all along to ensure that excellence was recognised. We'll be coming to you every day this week at 11 a.m. to announce more award winners. Today, we'll be announcing the winners of the Startup and Young Design Engineer of the Year for 2020. But before we begin, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to our headline sponsor, Distropol, and take this opportunity to let you find out a little bit more about them.
For over 50 years, Distropol has been leading the way in the sales and application development of thermoplastic polymers and elastomers. We are active across Europe and work with manufacturers from every existing and emerging market. We offer more than 3,500 grades of polymer that help our partners produce millions of different products, from a car dashboard to ski boots, mobile phone to a child's toy. But we don't just supply the material. We support you throughout the manufacturing process, helping you to design, develop and deliver. We'll help you transform your concepts and designs into functioning products by advising on the specifications and materials you should use. We'll help you develop your product so it's most effective. Drawing on 5 decades of experience and excellence, we help map out the production process, including decisions on tooling, optimization and cost reduction. We'll help you to deliver your product to the world. Whether your product is an IV bag or a conveyor belt, a drinks bottle or a PVC window, we'll show you the best way to deliver it into the marketplace. We are more than just a polymer distributor. We are project development experts, and we can help you wherever you are in the production process. Design, develop and deliver with Distropol.
Now to hand over to Alan Dedicote to take us through the next set of awards.
Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining us. If you're one of our winners today, please do share with us on social media how you're celebrating using the hashtag BEEAs2020. That's hashtag BEEAs2020. Our first award for today is for Startup of the Year and is sponsored by SolidWorks.
Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, Dassault Systèmes is there with you.
We have 3 companies on the shortlist for the Startup of the Year category: Archangel Lightworks, Ovon Technology, and Quanta Dialysis Technologies. And the winner is Archangel Lightworks.
Hi, I'm Owen, Chief Technology Officer for Archangel Lightworks. We're a laser communication company building the next generation of high-volume, secure data transmission systems for space and air. We make it easy for companies to transmit their data, all of their data, using lasers to 100x the value from space. Every day, high-impact, high-value applications are built on satellite imagery and data that gets transferred via space infrastructure. They range from fighting climate change to aiding authorities identify people without planning permission. All are fundamentally constrained, however, by the bandwidth of radio technology. In fact, 90% of potentially valuable imagery is thrown away today because you can't download it over radio. Couple this with the launch of mega constellations of thousands of satellites, the ever-increasing amount of data being generated by sensors, and spectrum being reallocated to 5G, and this is a growing problem. Laser communication can provide much higher data rates, reduce regulatory burden and higher security. So lasers are great, but as we know in the UK, cloud isn't, and traditional laser comm has been fundamentally constrained by the weather. We've worked with commercial partners and the European Space Agency to develop a satellite communication terminal compatible with CubeSats and an air terminal which can receive data above the cloud. By integrating space, air and ground assets into hybrid architectures and using lasers where the weather isn't, we can move 100 times more data into the hands of those who need it. Thank you for listening.
The judges said of this entry that, boldly ambitious, Archangel is developing a technologically challenging but critical form of advanced telecommunications. Congratulations to Archangel Lightworks. We now move on to the award for Young Design Engineer of the Year, sponsored by MA Business. Young people joining the engineering profession are often required to hit the ground running to apply the knowledge gained from their studies and their enthusiasm to a range of projects. Here are our 3 finalists. Lewis George, Horiba UK. Mohammed Tahir, Plextech RFI. And Louis Walker, Ionics. And the winner is Mohammed Tahir, Plextech RFI.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Tahir and I currently work as a consultant engineer at PRFI, which is a UK-based radio frequency integrated circuit design house. And in this video, I'm going to explain the background to my entry. During the last year at PRFI, I was involved in 2 design projects and 1 evaluation project. Regarding the first design project, I developed a compact microwave power amplifier for the emerging 5G technology. For this latter, I provided the right first-time optimal solution, which led to a scientific publication as well as to a partnership between PRFI and the foundry Senan IC. Equally important, the second design was a custom multi-chip power amplifier for a British aerospace company. For this latter, I had to work closely with the other team members who were designing the other building blocks of the system, as well as I oversaw the system-level simulation. The second design was a success as the measured results satisfied completely the specifications. These 2 designs prove that not only do I demonstrate proficient electronics and microwave design skills, but also have a solid understanding of the physical phenomena at play. On the whole, I am continuously increasing the added value I can bring to the engineering profession.
In this hotly contested category, the judges were impressed with the speed at which this young engineer was able to engage with highly complex MM-wave design concepts. Congratulations to Mohammed. I'll now hand back to Neil Tyler, editor of New Electronics, to say a few words, but I'll be back tomorrow to reveal our final winners in the 2020 British Engineering Excellence Awards.
Thank you very much for joining us today. Thanks to all our judges and sponsors, and of course, congratulations to all our finalists and winners. We'll be back here tomorrow at 11 AM when the winners of the BEEAs Special Award for Design Engineering and Grand Prix will be revealed. If you're not able to join us live, the announcements will also be made available at eurekamagazine.co.uk and newelectronics.co.uk.